Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Asana templates for repeatable project launches, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Asana templates for repeatable project launches, start by logging into your Asana account. Navigate to the workspace or project where you want to use templates. Click on the Templates option in the main menu on the left side of the screen. In the Templates section, explore the pre-built templates available for different project types. Choose a template that fits your project needs by clicking on it. Review the template details to understand what tasks, sections, and features are included. If the template meets your requirements, click on the Use Template button. You will be prompted to create a new project based on this template. Give your new project a name that reflects its purpose. Select the workspace or team where you want to save this project. Adjust any settings as necessary, such as privacy preferences or project dates. Once you're satisfied, click Create Project to finalize the setup. After creation, you will be taken to your new project view. Here, you can customize tasks, assignees, and due dates as needed. If you want to save this adjusted version as a new template, click on the Projects drop-down menu. Choose Save as Template from the menu options. Provide a name and description for your new template. Set any additional permissions for who can use this template in the future. Finally, click Save Template to complete the process. Your template is now ready for future project launches, ensuring efficiency and consistency in your workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.